Hi. Well, what have we got here? It's an interesting little bit of gizmo, isn't it? Before smartphones and computers. This was I used to have when I was growing up as a child. It's still in very good nick, boxed and instructions, as the previous pictures show. I thought I'd just take it for a little spin and see if it's hands on. See if it brings any memories back for you as it does for me. Pretty little fantastic though. I do say myself, I say that again, I do say so myself. Let's turn it on. It still works. You see that? We put it in the first gear. Please excuse the camera angles, I'm trying to drive and hold the phone. A bit faster. Right, when the fuel gauge goes down, it's quite good. A little speed on myself, really cool. Whoa. 50 miles an hour now. There's the speed. Like the details still on there is really cool. Big little turbo in there as well. Says the name obviously. Toby's Turnin. Oh, we're going 100 miles an hour now, really fast. I won't hardly any fuel left though. That's not good. That's it. I've crashed or run out of fuel. Well, it still works after all this time, which is quite amazing really. It's probably been in my mum's loft for probably about 25 to 30 years. It's pretty amazing really. It's still in that good condition. The box is a bit tatty, but the rest of it is in very good nick. And it still works remarkably well. I don't know if you have any old toys that you've still got you remember well. If you have, please share, comment in the comments below. If you like, and please share to all your friends and everybody else you know. And please, if you do like these videos, please subscribe. That makes me to make more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.